and Secretary Dayanand sir are handovering the memorandum request and appeal to our Manesh Babu sir.
ಸೇಫ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಸೇವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಂ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಆ ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಬೆಮೆಲ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3-4 days I went and met Rajnath Singh. Same, please solve this problem, sir. Bemal is having an issue. He just asked me one simple question. You as an MP, you have gone and met the employees, the union. You have taken your minister, but still they have not budged. Again, you have come back here to solve the problem. Anyhow, I like your attitude, but KJF people should have understood, Bemal people should have understood that when an union minister has come and met them and told them to call off, they should have called off. That was the atmosphere with Rajnath Singh, who is the concerned minister for women. What I'm saying is, there will be some obstructions, there will be some hindrances. You should have patience. Without patience, you cannot achieve anything. As a lawyer, I think you'll be knowing one case will be at least, you'll be running for 10, 15, 20 years. So you should have patience. Through your, whatever this forum is, to them I would like to tell BEMEL employees, the contract employees, have little patience. I think after that incident, after Rajnath Singh took a step, I think after 3-4 days they have called off the strike. The Central Wage Commission, the committee has come and they have been in talks with them. Even I think this happened, I think around 4 months back, 6 months back. Not yet, forget it. Not, that is what, have patience. That is what I am telling. The discussions are going on. From past 6 months, whatever that contract employees, not even one person has come and met me till now. Even though I have taken so much of efforts and initiative, I am not against them. And I don't have information about that when the management calls me for a meeting or when the management asks me something. This is what we are doing. I am blank there because there is no response from the employees or the unions or whatever. This is what I want to put in front of everyone. When I come to know, when I have a feedback, I can talk to the management, I can talk to Mr. Rajnath Singh also. But now if Mr. Rajnath Singh comes and meets me directly somewhere, क्या आपका बेमेल का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया है? What do you want me to say? I cannot say मुझे मालूम नहीं है. जब प्रॉब्लम है तो मेरा घर तक आएगा बेमेल एम्प्लॉइज. जब मेरा उसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो सब चल रहा है, तो एमपी साहब भी नहीं है, एमएलए मैडम भी नहीं है, कोई भी नहीं मालूम. जब उसका प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो एमपी उसका मालूम होगा. एमपी है, अगर उसका पास जाए तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगा. दिस इज द स्टेटस ऑफ द बेमेल एम्प्लॉइज. So that is why I just wanted to just, put it in front of everyone. This is the issue regarding BEMEL. And you are saying 50% should be given to localites as a permanent employees. That is what one of your demands. When any placements happen, it will be put on website. There is an age limit for that. You are supposed to have an entrance exam. You are supposed to have an interview. So people from North India are getting selected because those people are taking coaching classes. Full North India, Bihar, UP people, they come to Delhi, they sit there, they sit and study. They apply for banking, they apply for PSUs, whether it is HAL, whether it is BEMEL, whether it is BHEL, whichever PSU, whether it is the Steel Authority of India Limited and all that. So the problem arises there. Those people, they apply for exams, 5-6 years they sit and study. Whichever exam they clear, they go and join. That is the issue. Whereas here, not only in KJF, maybe full of South India. Whenever BEML gives an online advertisement saying that so many employees are required, whether it is engineer, whether it is diploma holders or not, maybe they are not up to the mark to write the entrance exams. So that is the issue which I am able to gauge in this 1 year when all these people are. So that is the issue which is happening. So BEML permanent employees is that issue, and contract basis, that is the issue. BEML doesn't have any other problem, right? BEML doesn't have any other problem, right? Contract employees.
Contractors or wage.
Wage division, that this one is going on. That's why I'm not able to get the feedback. I can't go and ask BEML management, okay, what's the discussion happening? These people are going, sitting there, having a meeting every 15 days or 1 month, they're having a meeting, all that. But whatever information I've got from BEML management, they're having discussions with the unions and all. So once they asked me, sir, you have not got any feedback from them. So I was little, no, I got a feedback, but I was busy with something. That is what I told them. So that is the issue. Other than that, I think BEML, these two problems, whatever you have raised, I have answered you. Right? Regarding BJML housing.
Sir, one second. Whatever you told that regarding the written test and all, why we are not to the mark? Because we are studying in Kannada and English, the written test in English. Those people are born and birth and eating, sleeping, everything in Hindi. The English is, Hindi is the exam. When the exams are conducted in bilingual, they are more advanced than us. That is the main reason for this.
Bilingual, which is the other language.
Hindi and English. We are not fluent with English or Kannada or anything. They are fluent with only Hindi. That is their advancing written, all the written exams.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸಾರ್ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವೆರ್ನಿಯರ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವೆರ್ನಿಯರ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ವೆಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜಬಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಓದಿ ಬರೋದು 60% 70% ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು 98 97 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ತಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಯಾರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಇಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕರೆದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಡು ವೆರ್ನರ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅದು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ KJBL ಇರೋರು ಯಾರು ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್
Sorry for the intervention. Now clarity ಆಗಬೇಕು. Is ex AGM of
Deputy General Manager retired, sir. Because I was in the interview panel, just I want to highlight to you. Reason ಏನಂದ್ರೆ the total BEML management who was sitting along with me, sir, right,
ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ
clarification ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Because I was a interview panel for almost 5 to 6 years. The management committee who was sitting there, I was representing as a SC/ST committee member. So the knowledge, whatever they had from Karnataka people, from Kolar district as well as KGF, was being given very much importance by that particular manager. And when I was in the interview panel, I have heard almost 98% of Kolar, Karnataka and Bangarpet people only. So that time the importance was given, but that time the manager also was supporting the local people. But nowadays it is not happening. The same time, the education level in KGF has been appreciated by the management, but now it is not been recognized. What is the reason? That only we have to sort out. So as told by Mr. Madhivanan, only importance is given for other languages than Kannada or Tamil or English. So now what I want to insist is, please give chance to our people. We are very well qualified. They got all the knowledge as told by Namdev also, because we were in the interview committees many times, and he is our senior employee who have been trained many people of Karnataka and many people of KGF also. This one I want to highlight, sir. So we got the knowledge. we have to begin chances there. That's all.
Only
Thank you, sir.
clarification.
Sit and talk, I think. Karnataka or the other people is bad. I'm saying when they're writing the entrance exams, that is where they have an edge. That is what I'm trying to say. Whether they're assisting or whatever it is. So that is the issue. So when you're getting selected there, whether you know or not, if I go and write one entrance exam, everything is among the four you select one. What exam that is called? Objective. I keep thinking, hey. Maybe if all A's are right, and if I don't know anything, I get selected. Maybe that might be also one of the reasons. That's what I'm trying to tell. They have an edge over others because they sit and study there, and they study for 3-4 years. You don't know what they study, which exam they take. So that is the issue. You might be saying that might be one of the reasons, I don't know. That need to be raised. Then it should be like questioning the government is doing the wrong thing. So let's see. I don't know where to raise that, how to raise that. I will just check on that and I will see that.
Thank you.
So that is the issue of women. Regarding BGML, I think this one Gymkhana ground which you people have mentioned. I just spoke to the CSO. He told I think you people have already given a letter to this. Already given a letter. That's what he's saying. That letter has been forwarded to the management in Delhi, and there the renovation of this one is under consideration. I think when I go to the sessions 21st of this month, that time I'll go and check what is the status and I'll get back to you. I'm saying because of that the youths are occupied, then the drugs or whatever it will reduce. I need to give a letter to the police also, saying that the youths are not into active sports, so I think a lot of drugs activities. You should put a point to the police also, being a big based on this, whatever the drugs you are saying. I don't know the real picture, but if you are thinking, because when you are saying save KGF, it doesn't depend on only the hospital and all that. You need to save the youth also from this menace. I think you have to give a letter. Yeah. Then the housing problem of BGM. I think you people have got notices. Whoever has 2 houses have to give back 1 house. Correct?
STBB.
Whatever that is. So that when I went and met the MD BGML, it was 2001 when the agreement was signed between the management and the employees. I think that time there is a mention, 1 employee, 1 house. That settlement was done, if I'm not mistaken, because that is what he told me. He's given me the points of whatever it's on. So according to the agreement which was done in 2001, 1 employee needs to have 1 house, so that all the patta or the khata of this one can be done. And I think in that 1,000 odd have been already given khatas, possession certificates, khatas, whatever it is. The remaining has to be done. Everything is under process and it is at the last stage, because I think that numbers also I had given that time.
Guru.
Sent to the press. All you people were there. I had given the details. So much was there. Some odd number people have 2 houses. Some people have 3 houses also. So if they write and give, or if they sign that notice, whatever it is, saying that we are ready to give back those 2 houses, that possession certificate for that 1 house they'll get. If they don't want to do, then the possession certificate will not be given. That is the status of the houses. Because the agreement which was done in 2000 when the BGML closed down, that was the agreement which was done. If I'm not mistaken, if any mistake is there, you please tell me.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ BGML ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
That I know.
ಅದಾಯ್ತು.
That I know.
ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
No, let me tell you. Additional houses, because when the families got extended, the sons and all, you people have got that additional house based on this one request given by the employee to the BGML management. BGML management has sanctioned. The problem is in 2000 when the BGML closed down, that agreement is there. That is what it says. It is on paper, sir. That agreement is there. So that is why we are insisting on this. So I'll give you one clarification against for that also. If you want, I'll give a clarification. I'll tell them to send the papers, all that. So if you want the possession certificate of that particular house, then you are supposed to hand over the extra house. If you don't want a possession certificate, then you can stay there. The problem is again the possession certificate will not be given to you. That is the thing which is there regarding the housing problem. Then regarding BGML hospital, I think we have already had one discussion with one of the hospital people, Satya Sai, which they were ready. But again the problem issue is all the property of BGML is in the court. So when I kept the proposal with the minister, he told, see, all these are the issues are there. So I cannot give only a parcel of the land to a particular person. It has to be given either to the state government or it has to be given to the central government, a different central government organization, or it can be given to any PSUs. And the issue is they don't want to take only a part of the parcel of the property. They want to dispose the full 7,000 acres which is in their possession. That is the issue which is happening there. So once that is done, even the employees who are there in the court, who have taken up the court case where they got that order in 2024 May regarding I think around 250 odd crores has to be given to the employees with that 6% is one. In a way, they want to solve that problem also, and that they want to solve the full BGML issue, with including the houses and including the land. So that is the issue. So when I went and spoke to the managing director, I think around before the session, before the last session, that is what the information he gave me. You have come as a member of parliament. We are very much happy that you have taken this step. The issue is 3-4 names were mentioned. They go and give a letter and they confuse them. This is what I was telling. Please come as a united one entity of BGML so that I can solve this problem. Because he's been asking me, sir, you come and give this one, and someone else comes and gives some other letter saying that I am from this union. This has to happen. Then suddenly some other person after 10 days comes, then he gives me one letter. I told, give me the letters so that I know who that person is, so that I can contact. I went to that level saying that you give me the people who are giving you a letter so that I can contact them and I can solve this problem of BGML employees. Because once this BGML problem is solved, I think this Save KGF United Front will not exist at all. I'm saying the main 80-90% of the problem is solved.
Not necessary.
Correct?
Yes.
That is what it is. So that is why I am behind this. I am able to go and meet the son because of my position. The problem is when I go there, even I get confused. When he comes, they will give some papers saying that, see, this is happening, this is happening. So that is what the issue is. So anyhow, you people like the United Front, Save KGF United Front, you people have come. I'll take up this one. I request you now also, whoever that 18 unions were there, whether it is A or B or C or whatever it is, whatever papers you have, please give me, whatever letters you have given me to the ministry, give those letters, whether it is A person or B person, so that I can tell them, see, all these people have come and given the letters to me. You please solve this. You please dispose this 7,000 acres and solve these people. The 250 crores, whatever it is, that one plus the housing, and I will put it forward to them. Because this time the sessions is for 1 month. You You give me those papers, I will post it there. Whatever possibility is there, by August 21st, I'll try to solve the BJML problem at company. So these are the issues. Then the general hospital is not in my hands, it is the state government. So you need to do. But if this BJML problem is solved, Satya Sai is ready to come and set up a hospital here. Why I am insisting on Satya Sai hospital is, it is 100% free. There is no billing counter there. And they say, I will set up this one hospital here. If any importance, emergency is required, I will take them to Muddenhalli. Muddenhalli is hardly 1 hour drive from here. Because of STRR expressway, once they come to expressway, they reach Nandi Cross, and once they cross Nandi Cross, it is hardly 10-15 minutes. So that is why I am insisting on Satya Sai, not that I have any vested interest in that. Because I have a very good relationship with them. That is why I am forcing things on them. Other than that, I don't have any other interest. It is only for the people for the public, whether it is KJF or Bangalpet or surroundings, so that they will be benefited. That is what I am asking. And regarding general hospital, I think you need to ask the MLA madam to upgrade it as soon as possible, and before the BJML problem solves, so that she can have a very good hospital where she can help the people of KJF. Right, sir? Anything else is there?
ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಿ.
Little confusion on BGML unions. Little confusion ಯಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಬಹುದು ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್. ಸರ್, ತಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮೆಮೊರಾಂಡಮ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೀ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ 7/8/2006. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ರಿವೋಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆವಾಗ 18 ಯೂನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ KGF ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಯೂನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, 8 ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಂತ 4 ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇತ್ತು. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ನಡೆಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ KGF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕೇಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು BGML ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಆವಾಗ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸರ್.
See, it is 2006. What I am saying is 2001. When the closure of BGM happened, that time, whatever agreement was signed. So 1 minute, you please wait.
Wait.
Whatever information was given by BGML MD in Delhi regarding the housing, that is what I am mentioning.
Yes.
If you want me a written this one or whatever the agreement is there, if they are ready to give me, because I'm elected representative, I'm not a government employee. If they are ready to give me, I'll give that and show it to you. Because a government employee will not tell will not tell lies. When I raised the issue of 2 houses, 3 houses, because they've already been in possession of that house from past 30-40 years, and which that additional house is being given by BGML management, it is not been acquired unprofessionally, or they have not encroached that house. When I mentioned all these things, that is the time he told me. When the agreement was signed in 2000, when the closure happened, 1 employee, 1 house. So that is where the issue is happening. I am not ready to take back that house. But if they want a possession certificate, they need to vacate. If they are willing to keep 2 houses and don't want a possession certificate, they can. continue with it.
Sir, here
That
the,
is
sir,
that is what is
here
there.
the size of the house is 8 by 12.
Sir, I know all that, sir. I know it is 8 by 12, it is 10 by 15, and all that I know. At that time, you people have taken, means the workers have taken that. Maybe that was the requirement that time. Now, because of families are extended, because they are having kids, they have grandchildren and all that, this one is more. But the issue is, when the agreement was signed, one employee, one house. So that is where the problem is arising. You please, I've told them to sign with an objection also and give an objection letter also. Last time when I came here, and Mr. Rajendran was here. That has not been given to me. Because I told the MD that they are taking the notices and they are giving an objection letter to the BGME concerned officer in case. That also I mentioned in paper. I think in the press also, that is what I have told. So I don't know, till now I have not got that. See, this is what the issue. When I tell anything, when I want to talk, I need material with the people and the management. So when you people don't give me anything, I'm not able to do. That is what I'm trying to tell you. There were so many elected representatives who didn't want to do, but who wanted to come and tell lies. People were listening to that. When I'm saying, when I'm telling the truth, you please do like this so that I can give that. You people are not ready to help me.
ಯಾರು ನಿಜ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಧಾರದ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಆಧಾರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಹೌಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ತಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಾವು.
2001.
Sir, 2001 BGM is closer. No agreement. No agreement.
I'll give you the papers. I'll give you the papers. Don't worry. Whatever that person told, I'll give you the papers. And regarding the settlement, they are ready to do, but based on certain issues which are going on. If that happens, then everything. I think the 2,500 employees who have that issue, the 254 crores. And all that will be solved. That will be solved.
ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಡಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ KGF ಜನರ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದು ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು. ಸಾಹೇಬರನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಆಚೆನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಗ್ರಿವೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. So I have to submit this memorandum to the government. We to agree. Adaralli eno idilla, but it is a witness in the presence of the parliament member. Being a president of this organization, nimma munde ee sabhege bandidira. I will put a first signature, then we will lead the signature campaign to the entire KGF sir. வந்து 2007 2006 கேபினெட் டிசிஷன் என்ன ஆச்சோ அது பிரகாரம் தான். உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் கார்பன் காப்பியில ஒரு ஜெராக்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதான் நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்குது. அதை காமிச்சிட்டு பொசிஷன் சர்டிபிகேட் லாஸ்ட் டைம் நம்ம முன்சாமி சார் MP இருக்கும்போது வாங்கினீங்க. இப்போ அவருக்கு ராங் இன்ஃபர்மேஷனோ ரைட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷனோ, அவருக்கு சம்பந்தப்பட்ட ஒரு அதிகாரி டெல்லியில இருக்கிறவரு, இவர் இந்த மாதிரி ஏன் நீங்க இந்த வீடை காலி பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ட்டு நோட்டீஸ் கொடுத்துக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னு அவர் கவர்மெண்ட் கொஸ்டின் கேட்கும்போது, கவர்மெண்ட் அவருக்கு ஒரு லெட்டர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 2001ல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அக்ரிமெண்ட் ஆயிருக்குது, அது பிரகாரம் தான் நாங்க இந்த நோட்டீஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுக்கறோம்னு சொல்லி அவரு கேட்ட கேள்விக்கு அவருக்கு ஒரு லெட்டர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இப்போ இந்த டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸை நம்ம அவருக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கிறோம். சார் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, நானு மீடியால பேசினேன், யாருக்கெல்லாம் அது மேல கிளாரிபிகேஷன் இருக்குதோ ஒரு லெட்டர் ரெடி பண்ணி கொடுங்க, அதை நாம சப்மிட் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம். இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் ஒரு லெட்டர் கூட என்கிட்ட அது மேல வரல அப்படி. அதனால ஏன்னு தெரியல எனக்கு. நான் உண்மைதான் பேசிக்கிறேன் சொல்றாரு. இப்ப நம்ம கூட என்ன சொல்றோம்னா, இப்போ அவர் ஏதோ ஒன்று சொல்லிட்டு அதான் டிசிஷன் என்னன்னு அவரும் சொல்ல, இந்த காப்பியை நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம். அவரு ஒரு காப்பி அவங்களுக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதையும் நம்ம கொடுக்குறோன்றோம். ஃபர்தர் அது மேல ப்ராப்பர் கிளாரிபிகேஷன் எடுத்துன்னு முடிவு எடுக்கலாம்னு சொல்றாரு. சரிங்களா?